So let's make some GIFs. So I actually made a GIFs already. So I don't remember when I made them, but anyway, I just saw GIPHY didn't verify me, and I'm not really sure why. They didn't tell anything. They didn't send me an email, but I'm guessing that I created them too small, so I didn't fill in the whole canvas. So yeah, anyway, I will redo some of them that I made, and I will create a few more, and hopefully now I will get verified on GIPHY, so you can use them too. So yeah, let's try to make them. Here are the GIFs that I made before. Okay, so before the canvas size I used was 1920 with 2500, and this time I'll be using a square format, 1800 with 1800. Let's make the rainbow first, so now I'm gonna try to make them bigger. Okay, I hope that this is big enough. Okay, so now I'm gonna duplicate. This one is really easy to make. You just need to... This one is backup. If I mess up something, I can go back to that one. So you wanna think how your rainbow is gonna go. So it first appears here. I don't know, I can go here. So this, so 4 times. So I will first delete, remove it from here, and you just need to erase all this. So, and then I want the rainbow to be here. And then you get the point. So and then you continue until you're happy. Okay, so first you need to make the opacity 100% on the rainbows, and then merge them with the cloud. Okay, here we go again. Okay, now it should be fine. Okay, it's great. And then you can see if you like it to be slow or fast. Maybe I want it to be a bit longer so you can see the rainbow at the end. Let me try. Maybe one more. If I don't like it, I just delete it. So, yeah, I like it like that. remove the background. Only if you want the background to be there. It's part of your design, then leave it, but... Ta-da! Okay, remove the background, then animated, what were we, 9. So, and this GIF was the easiest to make, I think. So I just duplicate this and move it slightly. Again, duplicate and move. So it looks like it's going in circles. So I also created a sun like this. So the same principle, just move it slightly. Only the face, I did the face on every layer differently, so it looks like it's moving a bit. Really simple. So I made a new GIPHY account, and now I'm gonna show you how to upload a new GIF. I just imported all the GIFs here, so you just click upload and then you drag and drop your GIF, and that's it. You just write the hashtags here. And you click upload to GIPHY, and that's it. So you can see him now here where all my other GIFs are. Okay, so my GIFs are finally available here. So you can find my GIFs writing Rafaela per